Hello and welcome to another episode of AdvisorFlow podcast, where we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming industries, creating new growth opportunities, and redefining the way companies operate. I'm your host, Ali Jamal. Today, I'm thrilled to be speaking with someone who is right at the heart of this transformation, Shubhra Shrivastava, the CEO of DigiPrime Technologies. DigiPrime is doing some fascinating work helping companies across industries leverage AI and data science to solve real business problems and scale with confidence. Shubhra, it is such a pleasure to have with us today. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Ali. It's a pleasure to be here, especially when we are discussing the topic which is very close to my heart, like the digital transformation and now the digital transformation with AI. So, pleasure is all mine.
All right. So to get us started, I would love for our listeners to get a sense of your journey. So every founder has a unique story, and I'm curious to hear how DigiPrima came to life. Can you share a bit about your journey and how your company evolved into a strategic AI partner for global clients?
Sure. So it was always in my heart to start the company, but there is a starting point when you are working like in a corporate. I was working with Hindustan Computer Limited, which is one of the top Indian multinationals. So I was pretty much well placed. So it's hard to like leave your things and then start your own. But we had shifted from Delhi to a place called Indore, which is a tier two city in India. So we had shifted due to family, like my husband was shifting. So I was not having job, so I started this company. So it's a very interesting story. It was like blessing in this, it became blessing in disguise for me. So, and then there was like not some good like type of job which I wanted to do. So I thought of starting, and I was alone. I hired one person, and then I started from there. And now we have around 90 to 100 employees in this company and going good from last decade. So that's like gives
Impressive.
me also a lot of pleasure and has given me a lot of confidence as well.
Amazing
So.
story. I'm sure many founders listening will relate to that evolution from early stage into high impact uh, partnership company. So let's dig a little bit deeper into the work you're doing right now. So, can you explain what type of problems are you helping clients solve with your AI and data services today?
Yes. So basically, what DigiPrima is exactly doing, we bridge the gap between like for the anyone who is a non-technical person or who wants to do their enterprise transformation. So we do complete end-to-end study and create the real business value for them with our softwares. So we started as basic software development company. Then we are like doing consultancy to a lot of like mid-size and it's especially for young startups. So we provide them 360-degree partnership, which blends the AI, data engineering, custom software, and like which if they come to us, they have the digital marketing solution, they can build the product, they can evolve the idea with us, they can like brainstorm the idea with us, they can do the product development, and after the product development we provide them the marketing support, which is the digital marketing and all these things. So how we like make our companies, like maybe they are with a enterprise solutions which are working on the
Hmm.
older technology. So we give
Right.
them end-to-end consultation to switch to the latest technologies with a lot of like providing business values to them. So
Right.
we have worked in procurement, healthcare, finance. So if you ask me a real-time example, I'll take an example of US-based company, which is basically a syndication platform. So in
Right.
US, the loans and all are like quite being syndicated and they are being shared with other people to buy. So we had created completely a digital platform, which has become very popular, and it is giving a lot of and a lot of AI based things in that.
Hmm.
So
Right.
there are multiple real world examples for this as well.
Right. That is super insightful. So may I ask what makes DigiPrima stand out in such a competitive space? Is it your tech stack, consulting approach, your customer-centric approach, your focus on the outcomes, or is it something else?
Yeah, so primarily I would say it is tech stack. Is lot of companies are having good tech stack and good people, but our consulting approach and our customer centric approach. So customer centric, like we want to give 120% satisfaction to our customers. So whether or not like they are wanting us, but we want them end to end. If there is some plus minus happening within the scope and everything, we are always very, very clear and upfront. But in case if there is anything, we go extra mile to make them satisfied, happy. So that's why I have like retainership like anything, because if they are working with me and after some time also they need any work, they will come to me, and word of mouth. So these are the two things which I follow. So trustworthy relationship and give them the proper right solution and go extra mile to make them like feel good.
Right. So
So that
I would say it is customer-centric approach, which makes you stand out, right?
obviously your technology has to be strong to
Yep.
support that, but yeah. So
Okay.
customer centric approach is the key of having a lot of retainerships, and it gives us also a lot of satisfaction.
Right. Okay. And in the next 2 to 3 years, how do you see the role of AI service providers like your company evolving? What kind of shifts are you preparing for as an enterprise demand continues to grow?
So basically, the AI is going to be everywhere, and whosoever is not getting into the AI, they are like maybe will be left behind.
Hmm.
So we are doing end-to-end study of the client's systems and suggesting them that where you can add the accelerators, AI
Right.
co-pilots to make their work easy. So we
Hmm.
are working on a lot of AI agent. We have set up a team who is generative AI team, then the agentic AI team, and
Hmm.
both of like we try to provide them the best solution on their existing software. So nobody can discard their software. Nobody can, and people don't know what is AI. They want just anything related to AI, and the solution should have the AI. So we
Right.
first understand their existing system. We build the accelerators on top of it. So just I'll give you a very simple example. If PMO is getting some kind of like the invoices. So
Hmm.
we had created some AI-based system where the agentic AI agents will read the invoices, will match with the vendors,
Hmm.
will do all the validations and create a discrepancy sheet. If
Right.
there is any, like with the pricings and all what you have quoted, so they will match it with the quotation and everything. Similarly, for the time sheets and also we have done multiple, and we have just on their existing system, we have updated these AI-based accelerators and co-pilots. So that is making their work at least 40% faster. So,
True.
and we have the pre-built, so we give it at a very, very economical cost, means not charging very huge, but just customize according to their need.
Right.
So
Right.
basically, our AI solution sits between the data source, business logic, and the user. So just making their life convenient and reducing their overheads.
That was a very good explanation of how AI can bring operational efficiencies, looking at the existing processes and then augmented it with AI, basically. I really like it. So let's pivot to the business side of things. Growth is never just about numbers; it's about vision, execution, and staying close to what the market needs. What does growth look like for your company over the next 6 to 12 months? Are there any specific region, industries, or services you're focused on?
Yes. So basically, we are focusing majorly on two things. Apart from that, which is ERP systems, because all the manufacturing industries, they need
Mm,
the ERP systems. And some have, some do not have. And we have built certain analytics on ERP system, which will give a one dashboard to CEOs. So that is another product in launch. We have just completed with a lot of AI analytics. If you have multiple units, so the CEO has just to see one dashboard only, and he will see what is going wrong,
right,
what is going right, and what is wrong, and he just have to focus on what is going wrong. So the system will always tell that everything green is one side and everything red and yellow. So they have to focus first on the red things. So
right.
this will give lot of visibility to the manufacturing industries and other industries who are managing businesses and multiple locations and all those things. So one is ERP, another one is AI. AI is again like we are building the solutions which are using vision cameras and all,
Mm,
where recently we are working on one of the system where the ship, like the AI vision cameras will be built, will be installed on the ship, and here in the office they will be getting all the activities happening, or if anything wrong or right happening on the ship, they will get to see everything
mm,
and will get all the alerts and everything. Similarly, we had done parking management system, escalator management system. They are end to end. The vision based AI is used there, but this agentic AI and the LLMs and the generative AI is the, now we are building a lot of this. So we are very well ahead. I feel that we are trying to prepare ourselves for the next 5 to 6 years, where we will also expand our expertise in this area, and by we'll keep on providing solution to client, and we'll keep on building our expertise in that area.
right. Okay. So now let's talk about how you're attracting that growth. So for many service companies, getting in front of the right audience and building a strong pipeline is half the battle. I would just like to understand what's working best right now in terms of outreach or lead generation, and are there any challenges you're facing when it comes to, let's say, pipeline health or scaling or scaling your sales efforts?
Yes, I know the world has become tough, and the sales
Mm,
cycle and the sales pipeline has become tough. I think everybody might be
mm,
experiencing, because to whomsoever I have spoken, things are not that like smooth, which it used to be maybe around COVID and till COVID.
yeah.
So after the COVID, there are a lot of shifts have happened in the business cycles. I have traveled in Asia, I have traveled in Germany, I have traveled to, like, for these conferences, not just like that, but just for the technical conferences. And I was in Las Vegas and everywhere. Like I was in Berlin in May,
Mm,
and so I was in Singapore. Everywhere I have seen the kind of, like, people are hesitant to spend money,
mm.
and they are being very, very cautious to spend money. And I think the overall the global challenges is making it more difficult for the people. But we are consistent. We are providing very economical and very value-based solutions to the clients. So what I feel is client don't mind paying that. So for next few, this thing, the sales cycle and all, so we are building more embedded AI in enterprise workflows. So that is something everybody wants, and those are very, very small solutions. So it's not very pocket heavy on anyone. So by putting in those solutions, we will build the strategic partnerships with the different mid-sized companies and all. Then we keep on doing the offshore execution partnership also. So we have the people in Germany, we have the people in USA to manage those things like the offshore
Right.
execution, whatever is needed. The third is the vertical expansion. So healthcare has been strong, the fintech has been strong for us. So some of the solutions we have done in logistics, and also we are, because logistic is going to be very crucial now. So we are trying to evolve some good solutions in different domains. So this will give us good vertical expansion also in the different fields. And
Right.
AI is always a vertical expansion, very beneficial because it will help out in all the industries.
Right. That's very interesting. It is clear that you are being very clear and intentional about your growth strategy. But even with great services, what you have just mentioned, getting your messages across can still be tough, especially in AI, where many buyers, they don't always understand the full potential. So what is the toughest part about getting your ideal clients to understand or appreciate the value DigiPrima brings? Is it about education, trust?
Actually, whenever the clients are coming to us, we just try to make them understand. They want, like, see, it's a e-commerce. They want some AI-based
Mm.
analytics, AI-based help to the customer. So make their e-commerce platform more engaging using AI, where no human intervention is needed. So what we do, we discuss with them. We put give them the ideas that you can incorporate AI into this and all these things, but this will help you in that way. So this is how, like, we do a lot of, like, the clients, the lot of education to them.
Mm.
Then there are a lot of AI perception gaps. So people, they think it's too complex or it's very costly, or sometimes they feel it doesn't do anything, like what is there, like something reading and putting it there. So we
Mm.
make them understand. And
Mm.
so how to, like, this AI can help there and how it happens. So I'll give you very interesting. Recently, we had done, it was a Europe-based, Norway-based ERP system company
Right.
who has one product, and they have deployed at hundreds of client locations. They just wanted the people to ask, and it should, like, you can ask, like, how many, what is the sales figures for last 3 months, and they
Right.
should convert to query, and it should get the data. It looks simple, but
Mm.
they had 1,600 tables in their database. So we had to make the client understand that your tables are so similar that training the model for
Yeah.
this will be to get the accurate result, at
Right.
least 95 above percentage accuracy. So
Right.
how difficult it will be. And when we educated the client, he understood, and we could very well deliver, and now he's super happy. And now we are building a mobile app for that. So user can even speak and just get the data on
Mhm.
from the database.
Okay. I mean, that was very insightful, and you're pretty good when it comes to storytelling. So let's wrap this section with a quick
Yeah.
question. What are your biggest priorities this quarter? Whether that's launching new services, entering new market, or refining your internal capabilities.
So basically, we are launching one product. I already told you. So this is our big goal right now. And apart from that, marketing and sales is always very important, and meeting new people, meeting new clients. So we find the way, like, we do lot these conferences all over, like the technical conferences happening in the world. So we go to various places where we meet face to face. And in Berlin, we met one person who is from Ivory Coast. He
Right.
doesn't know English. We don't know French, but we are already done with 7 calls with him, and he is ready to, like, we are creating the partnership. So we hired one French translator, and we are there.
Right.
So anything and everything to make the client satisfied is our vision and goal always, and getting the business from. And once you are here at DigiPrima, then you are always there. That's
Very
what
insightful.
our intention remains.
Great. So, Shubhra, this has been an incredible, insightful conversation. It is clear that DigiPrima is not just building technology, You're building trust, delivering outcomes, and playing a key role in helping businesses scale with AI. Before we close, I would love for our audience to know how they can connect with you and learn more. So where can people go to learn more about DigiPrima, your success stories, and possibly reach out to your team?
Yeah, just before I give my contact details, I would like to say I'm very, very like the employee focused also. So I love to have my employees like very happy. So end to end is it's like a complete happy ecosystem around you where your employees, your people in the office and your clients, everybody is happy. So that's my end goal. So now
Right.
coming to your question, means we can like get our contact info. Everything is there on the website
Right.
digiprima.com, and they can directly connect with me on LinkedIn. Our numbers are there. They can connect on WhatsApp. They can call us. There are numbers. Anyone and everyone from our team will surely get in touch with them. And I'll be doing more of the podcasts and all, so we will surely be in touch with those with everyone. And
Right.
yeah,
Okay. So huge thank you to Shubhra for joining us today. I really enjoyed this conversation, and I hope our listeners did too. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with a colleague who is curious about AI or looking for the right tech partner. Until next time, this is Ali Jamal signing off. Stay curious, stay innovative, and keep building.
thank you.